Make the baked cake donuts. Make these really simple baked donuts quickly during the week or as a weekend treat to win points with your kids or just make yourself happy. Equipment. Donut pan. Large bowl. Piping bag. Ingredients. 2 cups flour. To 3 cups sugar. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1 teaspoon nutmeg. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 1 teaspoon salt. 3/4 cup buttermilk. 2 large eggs beaten. 1 tablespoons butter melted. 1 teaspoon vanilla. 1 cup chocolate chips. 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly spray a donut pan with non-stick spray. Set aside. To a large bowl, all of the dry ingredients. Add in the buttermilk, beaten eggs, melted butter, and vanilla. Stir until just combined. Do not overmix the batter or your donuts will be dense and tough. Pour the batter into a large zip-top bag and snip the tip to easily pour into the donut pan. It will fill 12 donut wells evenly. Bake for 7 to 9 minutes or until golden brown. While they are cooling, to a microwave-safe bowl, add the chocolate chips and coconut oil and microwave for 30 seconds, stir, then microwave another 30 seconds, as needed, and stir until smooth. Dip each cooled donut into the melted chocolate and immediately top with sprinkles. Enjoy!